Okay, one.
You can't count.
What are we playing?
Yeah, I know. There's 6. I know that. I was wondering what the good ones were. What the good ones. Okay, quit shooting.
None of us are wearing camera.
He's shooting my steel toe. I don't even feel it. I have steel toe.
I shot a shoe, and then it shot my shoe. I'm like,
Really comes
hey, I don't have steel tip.
I might.
I just have hard rubber.
Same,
still
I think.
hurts.
I don't know. Let me kick someone's balls and find out.
No, let me shoot your foot and find out.
Ah, no. Wait. Nope, hard rubber. Definitely hard rubber.
Sorry.
This can hit you.
Hey, you have
Wait,
one of
what?
the knives?
You have one of the knives?
That's it? Oh, that's nice.
Custom painted too. It was it's that color right there. If you could see them on the somewhere, I can't even see it myself.
How
Where's
much
it?
was that thing?
Where's the base paint? Oh, there it is.
How much was that thing?
I just went on Amazon, bought a training knife,
Yeah.
rubber training. I can't stab with this because this actually will hurt.
Can't stop.
But it can work enough.
Yeah, I do this. I just do that. I don't actually go for the slashing motion because you can actually hurt someone.
I have to go like that, so you can go like that. I'm gonna get one of the.
I have the other one too.
I'm gonna get one of the actual like.
I have the bayonet one, and on my other vest, it's actually attached to the back, so I can grab it like this.
I like to have it like right here, so I can go like that when I need to.
Yeah.
Because you can stab with those things.
Well, this one, as you can see, it's not even glued or strapped in place. It's just tied in.
And then I want to get.
If you know where this is from, you should know.
This is just I put random straps because this doesn't have.
This is homemade, and it works.
I have one of my dad's old gun holsters. The actual holster. Right here.
This is spring.
Nice.
That's from this gun. It's an actual holster though.
Oh, nice.
My dad sold a bunch of his guns. He's like, here, have this holster. Here, have this gun case. And I'm like, sure, I can put my airsoft stuff in that. That'll work. Perfect.
Yeah. It's fogging up. It's raining. I don't know what's up with these goggles.
Oh, mine are fogging up so much.
Yeah,
I just got
I'm
these.
glad I have a shotgun.
I just got these, and I have to figure out how to treat them to get rid of this. Because this is really annoying.
I sent you the pictures of the thingies,
Yeah.
and my grandpa found a Liberty dime.
Oh, wait, that's red. Wait. Wait, it hasn't started. Wait. Wait, what's the game mode? Wait. What's the game mode?
It's we're capturing little beacons. Flip the switch.
Oh, right.
It's team domination.
Team domination. TDM.
Oh yeah, they forget.
Oh, no, that's team deathmatch.
What?
Got one. This is a good spot to hold down. I think I got like 3 kills now. Got another one on the left. Ah, hit! Fuck, right in the hand. Woo! Going through. Ah, that was right in the hand.
I'll be rating right here.
I don't want to get shot as soon as I walk in. Ah, fuck. Oh, right on the hand. Woo! Alright, coming out. Hit. I'm gonna. Hey, coming through, coming through, coming through, coming through. Fuck, this guy got around us.
He got around us?
Yeah, he's over here. I think they got him already.
Let's go. Let's go. This way.
You got me. Got him full string.
Huh? Is that a smile?
Huh?
That gun, is it smile?
Yeah.
You use it?
Huh?
You gonna use it?
Can I use it?
Or are you gonna use it?
Yeah, I've been using it for a while. Why? Did you want to try it out?
The handgun?
I use both.
I know.
We almost got cornered, so I had to switch around.
Oh, I tried a handgun to make sure. Never used to have a handgun. I went to the right. I need to make my shotgun.
Watch out. Ready to push? 3, 2, 1. Push.
Go, go.
Hit. Coming down. Oh, fuck. Coming down. Oh, fuck, my leg.
Hey, straight to the right.
Coming through, coming through. Oh, that burns. Where's the... Oh, the spawn's over there. I got shot like 4 times.
Arm hurts?
Oh, I got shot more than the arm. That's just one of the most painful ones.
Yeah.
I got shot 3 times here.
Oh, yeah.
1 time on the vest, 1 time in the back, and then 1 time on the back of my calf. Fuck. I almost switched it to full auto.
I said I was hit.
Oh, fuck, you scared the shit out of me. You're clear. I don't know, that's a red that just popped up there, but you're clear. Oh no, please don't.
You need to back up over there. We need to back up over there. Right in that corner where you can't really get him.
So what you're saying is go around them.
We need to charge them something.
Did you get hit? Okay. I just didn't want to shoot you that punch. On the right. Oh, that's the fucking ref.
Oh, it's the ref?
I almost shot the ref over here on the car. But I did get 2 here. On the left, on the left. You okay?
Thumb bone.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, fuck. I want you to switch hands.
Huh? I'm right behind you. Oh, fuck. Hit. Don't shoot me. Coming through, coming through. Coming through, coming through. Ah.
Thanks to our teammates.
I got shot right in the underneath the vest. This thing's heavy. Ah, that one missed my back. Ah, that one hurt.
You alright?
Ah, it shot me right underneath the vest,
Yeah.
and that hurts like a motherfucker.
It's alright, man. Walk it out.
Oh, I'm going, give me a minute. Okay. Okay. Peeking. Clear.
Good shit. Right tower.
I'm gonna wait. Hey, hey! Don't, whoa, coming through, coming through, coming through! Ah! Whoosh! He was scared. Shot me right on the goggles.
Same here.
At least that's what's it called, mercy? You get shot on the goggles. We're not enemies, don't shoot at me. There's definitely gonna be a guy in green.
He says a guy in here too.
Yeah. Oh, thank God. I was about to shoot you again. Good one. Woo! That one, I have no idea if it went. Hit! Coming through, coming through.
Oh, that's mine. Wait, yep, that's part of my foot.
It's a brown mag.
That's mine.
The longer we last, the more chance I have getting shot behind.
Robert,
They're definitely at the middle,
Robert,
definitely at the greenhouse.
Robert. You dropped it, man.
Who?
My friend, Robert.
Put it in your pocket. Let's go. There's one camping out.
Oh, that one still stings.
What happened?
Ready?
We
There's
can
one
fight
camping
from right
out.
here.
I would go around for now. I'd say go to greenhouse, aim that way.
They might be
go.
out.
Because I know this way you have a more straight shot.
Only that happened in real life. That's terrifying.
Don't shoot behind me. That's friendly fire shield.
Hey, man. That was good. Right there, man. Damn, I probably got friendly fire like 10 times.
Oh, come on.
One time I get friendly fire in the yard.
What?
But I do play with
Look like some kind of alien without
a little more
uniform.
professional. Everywhere but
I was surprised you got me there. Yeah, because she's like, watch out, he's doing it.
Ah.
I told you, you might want to back up. It went just around the corner. I'm like, no!
Fun shit, fun shit, fun shit. Where were you? Oh! Nice, nice.